Lingyi Fuda Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional brick machine manufacturer with more than 20 years history, which is responsible for various block brick machine manufacturing and inland sale. Lingyi Yingcheng International Trade Company Limited is a sub-company which is established by Fuda Machinery and responsible for exporting and overseas brick block machine service. Our company is located in Lingyi City, near Qingdao Port, China, which is convenient to export. Our products have been exported to more than 60 different countries and get many good feedback because of the quality and good service. By the way, we have many agents in different countries now. Most welcome more and more sincerely client to be our agent in the future. We are mainly produce and sell various block brick machine with other equipment, such as mixer equipment, batching equipment, etc. Our products with various model, also with different price range. Machines are multifunction and molds are customized. Could be make various block brick in one machine. Lingyi Yingcheng International Trade Company Limited has been committed to the concept pursuit, better quality and service to get more market strive to produce more advanced and better quality machines and supply better service day by day. We will use our machine and service to support clients have a great future. We welcome all customers from home and abroad to our company for cooperation. And we will try to supply high-quality brick-making machinery.